Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another best show unboxing video. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is staying warm. It's really cold out here in Detroit, that is for sure. We have a special unboxing video. You guys can check them out. Their website link will be down below. I'm not sure if this is on Amazon, but just in case, my affiliate link for Amazon is also in the description. So here we go, guys. It is getting close to Santa Claus year. He should be coming down shortly, full of goodies. And you guys could get one of these right now, I do believe. This is coming from my good friends over at XboxtGo. This is the Chameleon. Hey, it reminds me of that song. Come a Chameleon. AI Sports Cameraman. Whoa. Oh, this looks sweet. Got the App Store, Google Play. Look at that little dude. Nice packaging. Got some weight to it. I need my scissors. Gotta open this thing up. And it comes with one of these. I'm not sure if it's sold separately. Just take a look on the website and you'll see. But they sent me one of these also. I think it's a tripod. Yep. Tripod NT1 Blink Tech. California. China. This does it all. Oh, she got some weight to it. Alright, there goes that one. Get over there. We'll open this one first. It's easier to get to right now. But definitely check them out, guys. Since now we are in the digital era, now's the time to buy. So you never know, prices might go up. But right now, they are good to go. So definitely take advantage of any sales you see out there. XboxtGo. Nice little travel bag you can take with you doing your live streaming or any other food vlogs or whatever you guys want to do. Oh yeah, this looks nice. Very professional. Got the logo right there. That's where you put the camera. And so we can have it small size. Okay, extend it all the way up. Holy moly. Okay, we'll do that at the end. But that's how that's done. So we'll put that thing right there. Now it's time to open the Chameleon. Cool name. I like chameleons. Pretty cool little reptiles. Here we go. Definitely haven't seen this yet, so we shall see what it does and how it looks. Ooh, lemon green. Okay. Kind of cloth. Probably clean the lens. It's always good to have that around. Throw it in your travel bag, you're good to go. Yeah, it's a little cloth. Got a little stuck. See? A little clothy. To wipe it off. Even got the logo right there. Right there. What else do we get? Ooh, travel bag. See? This has it all. Oh man, that looks sweet. Comes with the remote control. Oh lordy. It's like Christmas. Christmas bonus. Pull that out. Pull that out. Oh, this is a nice little satchel bag. Got the green. Throw the cloth in there. Okay. Wow. Nice she does have some weight to it. Oh. Of course, we gotta get the manual. Because we had to download the app. Nice little remote control. Pull the tab for the battery. This is sweet. I'm liking it so far. And we haven't even tried it out yet. There's a little strap to strap on, or a USB strap. Sorry about the whistle. It happens sometimes. Gotta whistle while you work. But yeah, I can't believe how fast this year is flying. It's almost done, guys. I'm hoping 2026 is going to be a good year. It's been an interesting one so far for 2025. Ooh. Look at this beauty. There. Some kind of extra mount. That's where you stick it on the tripod, right there at the top. There's a camera there too. Okay, there's no, I think there's plastic. Huh. Can't really tell if there's... Oh, I just turned it on. Hey, it lights up. Fully charged, that's a good thing. Oh, I can feel it moving. Yeah, that must be the camera. I'm not sure if this is a lens cover. I don't want to scratch it, so we'll see once we turn it on. But there's a main camera right there. Look at this beauty. Really nice. We'll keep it that level. We'll get the trusty backup phone. Oh, I'm excited. AI powered sports tracking phone mount. Alright. Now I could just zap this. Gonna find out. It's probably called Xbot. Kind of like X-Pac, the wrestler, or Xbox. Do 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 do. Give it a second. Product overview. Use your Chameleon. Okay. Yep. It is called XboxtGo app. That's easy to remember. XbotGo. So that's probably better than the GoPros. There we go. We found you. This is what it looks like. It is safe to download. Over 10,000 users. So that's a really good number. So they're going to keep going. Hopefully get more crazy updates and do all types of cool stuff with this AI technology now these days. And we're not even at the start, or we'll pass the start now. So maybe another year or two, things are going to get weirder, but cooler, you know? So it's going to be really cool to see what they come out with this new technology. Yeah, my phone's slow. This backup is slow. Alright, hold on. Okay, guys, once you download the app, it's going to look like this. Don't worry about that dot right there. That's part of my phone. A little water damage. It's alright. Still works. And basic tutorial, how to set it up. Everything. You can track soccer games, football games, hockey games. Pretty much every sport. Cricket. Soccer / football. What's that one? With pickleball and tennis and all that good stuff. So that has everything. It's pretty easy. They're going to send you a confirmation code. So check your spam or your promotion or your main, wherever you have it set up. They'll send you a code, activate it on the app, and boom. Now we're going to add a device right there. Of course, safe app, like I said, no biggie. Turn on the Bluetooth. Make sure that's good to go. And now we're discovering a device right there. There we are. Bada boom. Connect. We'll set it right there. Put it right next to it. Make sure it's getting full connection. Whew. Look at that thing glow. Alright. Whoa. Firmware update, of course. Continue. Low battery. Oh, look at it. Zoom in. We're good. We'll beat it. So hopefully we'll make enough videos to make a video before the battery dies. 36%. We're going to pause you guys right now. Okay, that's pretty fast. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, this might take a second. We'll be back. And during the process, it's going to turn off, turn on. Now it's going to start flashing. That means it's almost done. It's going to start moving around. And you'll be good to go in a few seconds. Like I said, depending on how fast your internet is, it should be done shortly. And now I'm just taking out the battery and to remove the tab. There we go. So now I know that the remote control is ready to go. So like I said, all you gotta do is check them out. Click the link down below. Either it's on Amazon. I'll have my affiliate link. And battery is set to go. Boom. Yeah, you can't use it offline. Okay, it's still upgrading. Be right back. YouTubers, now I got it all set up. This thing is amazing, guys. This is going to be replacing a lot of cameramen and women around the world. This thing is complete game changer for any recordings you do for sports, especially for sports. They got different modes. They have a live feature on the app where you could say you're watching your kids' basketball game, and you can have it recorded and uploaded to the XboxtGo Live marketplace, or whatever you want to call it, app. So it's right there. Remote works great. USB cable, you could connect your phone to the camera if you want to keep it charging. I'm just gonna hook this camera up. Don't mind that water spot. That's water damage from my phone, not the app. The app runs smooth. Device connection, connect. It's easy peasy to connection. And then now add to the remote. Turn it on. It's gonna flash red. And hit this. Boom. Connect. There we go. So they got tutorials on how to do it. And this tripod does raise up. As you can see at the bottom. You got this thing gets super tall. So I mean, it all depends on where you're sitting at and you can record. But they tell you how to do it, everything. Jersey tutorial. I'm just afraid of showing the video because of copyright music they might have. But they got everything you need. You can go live. They got live events going on right now. I think I can show this because it's hockey. Yeah, there we go. I mean, this camera is amazing, clear, quality video. Look at that. One camera is recording this right now. Sorry for shaking a little. But that's coming from one camera. Look at that. It's like 4K. So yeah, it follows the player and everything. So you can have it set up like that. But there's like hockey mode. I'll show you. There's soccer mode, badminton mode. Once you go live, you can always change the name of the Xbot. Let's see, camera. See, once you select recording mode, you could choose soccer, basketball, ice hockey, handball, or you could do the follow me mode, which is really sweet. It's like one of those like spinning circles you see at nightclubs and other events. You can have it right on you right now. And tennis, pickleball, lacrosse, badminton, that's a beta version, and football. So you can just select the icon for football, hit next. You can do full game, over 14 and under 14. So we'll keep it over 14. And then I'll show you how to do it too. See right here is the live feature you can have recording live. I'm not going to because I don't need to. and it'll show you how to set up your device. Tripod, make sure the height is good. See, it gets really tall. And then live stream it and record. So this is how you want to do it. I'm gonna have to put the camera on the Xbot right there, and there's a little knob right here. Make sure it gets a good lock in, especially if you're in the bleachers. You don't want your phone to drop. Okay, there we go, this way. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I don't even know what I'm doing, but it's working. And like I said, the remote works great. So there you go, it's locked in. And now we can hit the so you can adjust. See that's like the follow me mode. So does follow you in the circle, like how other people do it. But you can have it like this. Recording, so you can hit record. Boom, right on the button. And now it's gonna do its magic. But yeah, definitely check it out. If you don't know what to buy people, like those hard to buy people that have everything, this is something cool. Especially now, like I said, we're in the digital era. Anything helps for our advantage. So the mark point, you set that up, point it all the way down. But yeah, really cool. Mark point is clear. Then once you finish, you just hit stop. It's pause. There we go, recording stopped. But yeah, definitely check them out. And then now, let me take this off. Nice and slow. So I'm really happy with this thing so far. There we go, and just hit gallery. You can see the recordings right there. So really cool. I mean, definitely check them out, YouTubers. Like I said, I'll leave my affiliate link down below. And all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, check it out now. You'll get it just before Christmas or maybe sooner. So definitely take advantage now. They have sales going on from the Cyber Monday, Black Friday. So get it. See you soon.